Okay guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a butterfly knife out of Technic. Only Technic though. It works, I'll be showing that later, but yeah, let's get into it. Here. Okay, these are the parts you'll be needing. By the way, these do have a slit at the top part, so make sure you have that. Okay, these are 15 holes, Technic beams, or whatever you call them. So what you'll do first, grab the tees. Oh yeah, these are also slidey ones, like, yeah. So you need the slide ones, the slide. It doesn't have to be this exact color, but it has to look like this. Okay, so you put one like this. You get the other one, put it like that. And then you get these blue ones, or whatever color it is, that don't have slide resistant. And then also you need this. It doesn't have to be gray. You grab whatever color you want of the beam, you put it there. Put it there. You put this one right on these blue ones instead. Make sure it clicks in. And then you grab the other tee that you should have got. And then, wait, hold on. I forgot to put it. Don't put it on yet. You have to grab the slit one. Put it at the bottom of the tee, like that. And then you put it on. There. It's pretty much done. But if you want the locking or whatever it is, or this next part, you could just stop now, but I'm gonna add a locking thing. So what you need, the medium thing, this thing, called 3-hole beam. Grab this. It doesn't really matter which side you put it on, but it has to be on one of these beams at the side, not the middle one. Okay, you put one in like that. You grab this, you put it on there. You could just flip it if you want, I don't know. But then you grab this one, put it at this side, and then what you can do is you can like slightly angle this one down, put it like that, and then click. That's pretty much it. There you go, the knife. It should work if you like swing it or something. So you can like move it and stuff. Yeah. Bye.